Going viral on YouTube means that a video or channel has received a large amount of views and engagement in a short period of time. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as creating relatable or funny content, having a unique point of view, or capitalizing on a current trend. To increase the chances of a video going viral, creators can promote their content on social media, collaborate with other popular creators, and engage with their audience. However, there is no guaranteed formula for making a video go viral. There are several benefits to getting viral on YouTube, including 1. Increased exposure. When a video goes viral, it can reach a large audience and gain new viewers. This can lead to more subscribers and overall growth of the channel. 2. Increased revenue. Viral videos can generate more revenue through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Career opportunities. A viral video can lead to more opportunities for the creator, such as collaborations, sponsorships, or even a career in the entertainment industry. 3. Branding. A viral video can help to establish a creator's brand and increase their credibility. 4. Marketing. A viral video can be a powerful tool for promoting a product or service. 5. Networking opportunities. Going viral on YouTube can open up networking opportunities with other creators and industry professionals. It's important to note that going viral doesn't guarantee success, and it's not the only indicator of a successful channel. It's important to focus on creating quality content and building a community of engaged viewers. Here are some steps that creators can take to increase the chances of their videos going viral on YouTube. 1. Create relatable and engaging content. Make sure that your videos are interesting, entertaining, and relatable to your audience. 2. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. Use keywords and phrases that people are searching for in the title and description of your videos. 3. Use tags. Use relevant tags that are used by other popular videos in your niche. 4. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media and other platforms to increase visibility and reach a wider audience. 5. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other popular creators in your niche can help to boost your visibility and reach a new audience. 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, create a community, and ask for feedback to encourage engagement and loyalty. 7. Be consistent. Regularly posting new content will help keep your audience engaged and increase the chances of your videos being discovered. 8. Be original. Create unique and new content that differentiates yourself from the crowd. 9. Timing. Keep an eye on the trends and timing your uploads to align with current events, holidays, or seasons. It's important to remember that going viral is not something that can be guaranteed, and it's not a one-time event. It's a process that takes time and effort, and it's important to focus on building a community of engaged viewers.